7 ways to trigger emotional attraction and intimacy with your man. Yes, physical attraction is enjoyable. The love at first sight impact piques your curiosity and gets you fired up about a new person. However, according to experts, emotional attraction is truly the key if you want to advance your relationship with someone you like. You're more inclined to devote your energy to seeking a relationship with someone with whom you feel an emotional attraction. In contrast to someone you are only outwardly attracted to, that deeper connection makes you want to keep that person in your life. In order to do this, we've put together this list of advice to assist you in creating a solid basis for a deep emotional connection with a man. 1. Use light touch. Humans love touch, and it works well to develop a romantic connection with someone. While we don't advise you to start groping people, a simple touch on the arm or leg might indicate your interest in them. Do not, however, overdo it. Overly affectionate behavior might come out as coquettish, which, right or wrong, is rarely valued. 2. Do them a favor. Even if it's something tiny like picking up their favorite snack or cup of coffee before you meet them, going above and beyond to help someone shows them that you care about them deeply and thoughtfully. In a recent interview with Bustle, author and sexuality educator Jamie LeClaire said that making your partner's life easier can be a wonderful way to feel more connected to them, especially if you know your partner's love language is acts of service. Well, if you're new to the concept of love languages, we will talk about it in detail in the 6th point of this video. 3. Build trust. Feeling comfortable with someone is strongly correlated to how much trust you have in that connection. There are several methods for increasing interpersonal trust. It gives you a sense of assurance that you will be kept safe. The degree of intimacy also grows when you gain someone's trust. Emotional attraction develops between two people when their proximity grows. A man's emotional attraction to a woman indicates that he has already gained your trust. The answer to the question of what causes a guy to feel emotionally attracted to a woman is trust. Let him know that you trust in him and persuade him to reciprocate. That is one of the trigger phrases for a man. 4. Go beyond the physical. Good sex is fantastic. However, if you desire a more meaningful, long-term relationship, you must go beyond the physical. The goal is to form an emotional bond, which necessitates breaking down the facade. We fall madly in love with partners who accept us for who we are, our flaws and all. Please do not misinterpret that. We're not suggesting you date someone who treats you badly. However, we all perform on some level, whether at work or in social settings. Nonetheless, we create emotional relationships with persons with whom we may drop our guard. 5. Be thoughtful. Humans prefer thoughtful people. While it is entirely appropriate to emphasize your wants at times, if you want to build a strong relationship with your guy, take attention to and attend to his needs. We're not proposing you follow him around like a puppy dog and clean up all his messes. However, show him how important he is in your life by doing thoughtful things. 6. Understand his love language. The 5 Love Languages, The Secret to Lasting Love by Dr. Gary Chapman describes 5 types of ways people communicate their love and affection. 1. Words of affirmation. 2. Quality time. 3. Receiving gifts. 4. Acts of service. 5. Physical touch. Discover the one your partner prefers and use it. Plan a wonderful night for the two of you if he enjoys quality time. Get him something unique if he's a gift giver. It doesn't have to be expensive or extravagant, just consider it. In any case, cater to his love language. 7. Create shared rituals. Creating rituals and customs with someone may offer you both regular things to look forward to, which can strengthen your emotional connection. Establishing a feeling of connection may be immensely significant with even a tiny gesture. Sharon Picard, a certified psychologist and the creator of Let's Talk Divorce, recently said, creating a ritual of connection, such as going on a jog after dinner or having coffee ready for your partner, may be something you both look forward to as well. Well, that's all I got for you today. Meanwhile, if you want to find out every man's obsession, the secret ingredient of lasting love, don't forget to check the free video in the description. Thanks for watching.